Okay, I was a little later than expected, but thank you again for this lovely honor of hitting 1K. Isn't it a beautiful sight? Today we're going to be looking at my M1 finance portfolio more in depth because I always just scrape it on these stock market weekly recaps. Let's go more in depth. I'll show you my positions and everything going on. So, definitely a lot of good stuff going on here. A lot of good stuff. So, again, when we look at returns, M1 Finance is a little bit different. So they typically will report or show the money weighted. So it's going to include dividends in there and time of holding position, as opposed to just a typical what your holdings are worth. Excluding dividends, just market gain. It doesn't include just that; it includes dividends for us, which is beautiful. So obviously, I'm going to show with and without that, really. So overall, based off this right now, money weighted return here, we are up $2,157 on this portfolio, and this is since July of 2018. So it's 1 year younger than my Robinhood portfolio, but at $13,500, it is gaining quite nicely. Overall, you see a difference between market gain. Market gains up $1,700, and earned dividends total for the portfolio is at $400 right now, which is a beautiful amount that I look to have growing. You see, I've titled the portfolio Millionaire by age 40, and through my calculations of what I'm putting in, I have a good expectations by the time I'm 40 that this account itself should be in the $1 million valuation range. Right in the $1 million value range is what I'm looking for. Now, is it feasible? I think it is. I think it is right now, and it's one I'm going to be sticking to, right? I account for this in the budget and stick to it. We're going to make it happen. So let's get right into this bad boy. As far as just holdings, in terms of unrealized gains, so this is just solely market gain, right? Solely share appreciation. We are up a nice 15.4%, or the equivalent of $1,800. Pretty nice. There are 36 positions in this stock, which are good to see. For this one, I think we're going to start from the bottom and go upward, obviously, going from the smallest position of the portfolio to the largest. We start off with PSA, Public Storage, smallest portion of my portfolio, obviously at around 1% weighted. Definitely nice. You can see over here on the top all the data you need to know. So overall market gain on this thing, I'm down $4.73. Total current value of $128. Earned dividends though of $3.55. So total gain down $1.18, or down 2.38%. Not a good performer for me. I like it as a dividend play, but thing hasn't been performing super well for me. Right above them, we've got some financials. We got Royal Bank of Canada, also 1% of the portfolio. Total return's a little bit different on this one, though. We'll take it. Market gain of $4.67. Earned dividends of $6.23, so a total gain of $10.90, or nearly 23%. So good gain on this one as far as that's concerned. Lows on there as well. Lowe's is only 1% of the portfolio, but it's seen a massive growth. Market gain on this bad boy of $62.24. Earned dividends of $2.29, not massive, but total gain $64.53, or 157% up on Lowe's. Definitely nice. This company's doing really good things. So I like that as a position there. I like it. It's doing well for me. After Lowe's, we see Apollo Commercial Real Estate Finance, Real Estate Investment Trust here. Obviously, these are stocks that have been hit hard. These real estate investment trusts have. So market gain, really market loss of $63.51 so far is what I'm down on it. Earned dividends of $25.40 helped that, but overall down 31.55%, or down $38 on this position. Nothing beautiful there. After ARI, we see Intel, 2% of the portfolio. Total market gain Actually down $16.49. It's a newer position for me. Earned dividends of $5.68. Total market gain or loss down $10.81 or 11.64%. Intel, you know what? It's okay. It's okay, buddy. After them, we have another financial, Bank of America. Also have been hammered. This is in the portfolio for a while, but it's been hammered. 2% of the portfolio. Market gain down 25.67. Earned dividends of 322. Total gain down 22.45 or 11.54%. Down. That's downward movement there. We don't like to see it. Most of these things are up, but some of these things are down. We don't like it. Let's go back into the positive and talk about Pepsi. 2% of the portfolio. Up a market gain of $8.01. Earned dividends of $4.13. Up $12.14 or 18.38%. We like to see those gains. After Pepsi, we get into just a normal ETF. SPY, Spider S&P 500 EFT Fund. Market gain of 28.23. Earned dividends of 5.48. Total return 32.65 or $33.71. After SPY, we have Pfizer. Good one for me as well. 2% of the portfolio. 4.33 $4.33 in earned dividends. 22.13 in market gain. Total gain of 26.46 or 13.86%. Now the man, I run my mouth quite a bit, so if you hear a cough, it's because I'm running my mouth. Okay, I'm talking a lot, drying this throat out. Didn't bring the Wawa today. Okay, I didn't bring Wawa with me. Apple Hospitality, 2% of the portfolio. Not a beautiful return here, down $77.32. Earned dividends of $13.59, but overall still down $63.73 or 40%. Not a beautiful thing. Not a beautiful thing. Another 2%er here in Alphabet or Google. Up big on this one though. Market gain of $78.38, which represents 56% growth. Alphabet or Google. It's doing the work. It's doing work for me. Only 2% of the portfolio. We take it as doing the work. We have TD Ameritrade, also 2%. This one's up big too. $54.96 in market gain. $5.97 in dividends. So up $60.93 or total return of 45%. Good stuff. After them, guess what? Another 2% of the portfolio is in Amazon. It's in Amazon, baby. Amazon up a whopping $125.51 or 67%, 67.5%. Good growth there. We love seeing that. Qualcomm, 2% of the portfolio as well. That's right. Up $85.76 in market gain, $2.44 in dividends. Total gain in general, $88.20 or 334%. That number, guess what? Believe it or not, it's not right. The market gain number on this is certainly wrong, and that's a problem you definitely have with M1 Finance to an extent, but it's not. I mean, it's not 300% up. That's just what I have to say for you though. Believe it or not, I know people may want to say that it is, but it's not quite there, right? The stock hasn't been at $30 for really since I started buying it, and it says my cost base is at $30. So it's closer to the $80 range. Just be fair with that. Arbor Realty Trust, you saw it on my M1 or my Robinhood. You see it in this one doing a really good job. Market gain of $65.44, earned dividends of $28.92. Beautiful stuff there. You do love to see it. 28 shares on this bad boy. 28.8 shares. Now we get into more of them. We get into the share count. That's what we're talking about. Up to 94.36 or 108% on this bad boy. You love seeing that. Still in the 2%ers, believe it or not. This one was a 3%er. I dropped it down to 2%, so it still is higher than 2%. Main Street Capital, cost basis of $10.55, which is, believe it or not, inaccurate on this. 11.5 shares. Total earned dividends of 21.09. Market gain of 55.05. Total gain of 74, nearly 75%. SPHD, just an ETF. Overall down on this one, 10.66%. Nvidia is in this portfolio, and this one is accurate numbers here. Okay, these are accurate, baby. 1.3 shares, not anything massive. Average share price of $234.20. So I'm up overall $329, $330 nearly, up 420%, 420 baby, blaze it. Which was 420.69%, but we can't all get lucky. I shouldn't be tired. Why am I tired? Now we get up to a whopping 5% of the portfolio, as we love to see it. 3.06 shares of Microsoft. Average share price of $137.90. Up $227 or 139%. Beautiful stuff. Beautiful stuff. And obviously, M1 Finance known for the partial shares. That's the main gig on this bad boy. Disney, as you can see on the right side here, Disney's taking up a solid 5% as well. So 5.1 shares, average share price of $112.79, up 79.08 or 49.8%. Good stuff there. We get into bigger positions. Facebook, 9% of the portfolio, nearly 10 actually. Market gain of $430. Up 116%. I got 5.1 shares of this bad boy as well. That's right, at $179.07 per share. Those are what we call beautiful numbers. We have just Apple Dabble. Massive numbers for this one, right? 2.9 shares only. Not crazy. Average share price of $204 though is beautiful. So total gain of $778.96 or 272% up. Beautiful numbers. We love seeing that. Then we get into the biggest portion, obviously, is dividends. It's the dividend portion of the portfolio. So let's get right into it, starting with the smallest, which is 4% of my dividend. Is Orchid Island Capital. I'm tired for no reason. I'm making myself tired. I've got 37.9 shares, $4.69 per share. Up overall, 35.61. Most of that's in dividend. Up 30.7%. Again, the point of this dividends portion is for good dividends. We got Southerly Hotels. Bad investment is lodging has been hit hard. 100.1 shares, average share price of $333, down $106, all really due to market gain, or $55.32. You don't like seeing that, right? You don't like seeing that. 55% down is not good. We got another not beautiful one in Kimco Realty Corp. Overall, 19.3 shares, average share price of $14.26, down $46.82 or 44.5%. Not good. After that, we have Prospect Capital. PSEC, almost positive on this one because dividends are beautiful. Overall, though, 53 shares or $5.85 per share. Total market gain, I'm down $10.45 or return of down 8.28%. So that is one thing. This dividend portion takes the L, right? It just takes the L. We have Kohl's Corporation. All it does is really provide me capital, so I'll take that. Overall, Kohl's, I have 15.1 shares, 26.46 per share, down $98.27 or 39%. Not beautiful. After them, it's another not beautiful one. It's Ford. 45.5 shares, $7.68 per share. We like that cost basis. We do. Overall, though, down $30.27 or 23%. Don't like that. That is one we don't like. After Ford, we see AT&T a little better, but definitely still dragging. Good dividend on this bad boy, though. So 12.03 shares, $32.81 a share, down $20.15 or 14.5%. Then we have Gladstone Capital, nearly even on this one, 46.9 shares, $8.26 per share. What is going on here? Down $2.05 or 1.36%. We'll take it. Dividends are nice on that one. Welltower, need to mention Welltower, obviously. Welltower, I've got 6.7 shares. 6.7 shares at $63.61. Overall, down $50.74 or 29.29%. After Welltower, BEP, Brookfield Renewable Partners, good one here. 8.2 shares at $38.94. I am actually up $59.62 or 55%. Beautiful stuff there. We like to take a win. We like to take a win in the dividends section. We like to take a win because it's not easy to find them. Then we have new residential investment. I've got 48.39 shares at $8.42. So down $20.56 or 8.35%. Another L for us. Then we have OHI. Still an L for us, believe it or not. Cost basis, really 12.95 shares. Cost basis at $32.81. Down $13.79 or 8.7%. Realty income right after them. We've got 6.5 shares. Average share price of $62.22. Down $3.70 or 2.68%. Not beautiful. And finally, last stock to mention is Iron Mountain. Positive on this one, 13.5 shares. At an average share price of $30.05. Up $12.48 or $6.90 or 6.69%. So good numbers. This is the portfolio. I do hope you enjoyed this and have a good one. And I apparently am just gonna fall asleep over nothing. Okay.